Do you spend too much time manually creating project status reports? Let's automate that. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Screenful to automatically generate and share real-time project reports using data from your task management tool. The first step is to create the chart you want to share with others. You can either create a new chart from scratch or choose one of the predefined charts from the templates. Once a chart is created, it will appear under the Charts tab. Once you have created your charts, you can add them to a report by going to the Reports tab and clicking Add New Report. The report editor will open, allowing you to start adding charts to the report. You can also add your commentary as text blocks and rearrange the blocks using drag and drop. Now that you have compiled a report and are ready to show it to others, the next step is to send it to selected recipients for feedback. To send the report once, click the Schedule button at the top of the report. This will open the scheduling view, where you can select recipients from the list and send them the report via email. The email will contain a link to the live report online and a snapshot of the report as a PDF attachment. The scheduling page also allows you to choose the frequency and time of day when the report will be sent. Each time a scheduled report is sent, a copy is saved in the archive, allowing you to review any previous state of your project.